Okay, this might be an exaggeration, but I don't think it is. The single most important move that you can learn, or that I guess the first move that you should be learning on your skates outside of standing up, is bubbles. That is the goal at the end of this video, to have you able to do backward bubbles and forward bubbles. Bubbles are going to teach you about control, and they kind of feed into everything else. All skating is going to be made up of 4 things: your body position, so how your body is standing, how you're rotating, so are we rotating our shoulders, your edges, what edge are we using? Are we using our inside edges? Are we using our outside edges? Am I using my back right outside edge? And your weight transfer, where is my weight shifting? Brew is a very easy way to remember that. So once you lock that into your brain, what elements make up this movement? So when we're talking about bubbles, these are crossing bubbles, crossing bubbles. Let's think about our body position. We're in our skater stance. We're being very mindful of our body. Our knees are nice and bent. The easiest way to start bubbles is to just pigeon toe yourself. Your toes point towards each other and your heels flare out. Once they're flared out, you can give yourself a little hop, just here, and then whoop, little hop. Nothing crazy, we're just doing like this. Whoop. You don't even have to stress it out like a jump. You're just going like this. Here's my heel, boop, here, boop, we're there. Then you're going to push your thighs apart. And if you do it correctly, you should make almost like a little lemon shape, AKA the bubble. And one of 2 things might happen. Your feet might run into each other like that, or you'll find yourself wanting to start doing bubbles again. So we start with our feet here. We're pushing out and we're squeezing our thighs together to control our feet. We're gonna straighten them out again, and that's gonna lead us into our next bubble. So we're pushing our thighs, now we're pulling them together to close it. We're pushing to open them and pulling them together to close them. Push, pull, push, pull, push, pull. I don't know if you noticed this, but if you followed me in doing that, you were basically skating backwards, okay? So those were backwards bubbles. Forward bubbles are just gonna be the inverse. We're gonna start with our heels together, and we're gonna push out, and we're pulling them together. Our weight is on our heels. We think our body position, our knees are bent, our heels are together, okay? We think about our edges. Right now, if I'm doing a forward bubble, my weight is on my back edges, on my back wheels. We're thinking about what is our weight doing. Our weight is staying upright, we're dropping down, and we are pushing our thighs out, and we're pulling them together. If you can go forward and backward, push out, pull together, push out, pull together, push out, pull together, push out, pull together, you're in a very, very good place. Crossover bubbles are the exact same thing, except we are swapping our feet a little early and pulling our legs together so they touch and cross over, but we're still pushing out, okay? We're still crossing over, big bubbles, but now we're crossing over and we're pushing out again, and we're switching. Once you start to feel good with this, you can try it backwards. Okay. Push, pull, push, pull. It's that easy. I'm laughing because you're getting this. I know that you're getting this. You're trying this right now. You're watching this video. This is like the 2nd or 3rd time that you've watched it, and you're like, I can't believe I stressed myself out about roller skating. I know. That's what I've been trying to tell you. I've been trying to tell you. I've been trying to put y'all on, but you know what? Where you are right now is exactly where you are supposed to be. I'm glad you're here. Welcome to the club. You are right on time. Thank you. You could be anywhere in the world, but you are here with me learning how to do bubbles.